Hello everyone, myself Paras Gandhi and I am here again with top 5 tips to score 320 plus on your GRE exam. So if you are interested in scoring 320 plus in your GRE exam, do watch this video till the end. Tip number 1. I'm not gonna emphasize this enough. Book your date in advance. Do not waste your time thinking I'll prepare first, then I'll book my test and just go the other way around. Book your date first because it provides you in a you'll have enough pressure on yourself to start like studying for it. So always book your exam in advance. Tip number 2, plan everything very ahead of time. So if you are going to be working or like if you are in college and you have some assignments and projects and you're going to be studying for your GRE simultaneously along with something like either your work or your college, then you should have 3 to 6 months time ahead of yourself for preparing for GRE. And if you're like solely gonna focus on the exam and just preparing for it intensely, then I would suggest go for anywhere between 1 to 3 months depending on your capacity. So plan everything ahead. Tip number 3, spend your money wisely. I'm not gonna say that like get yourself enrolled in any of the coachings or buy everything, every hardcover book or anything like that, but if you can afford like 7,000 or 8,000 rupees, do get yourself a Magoosh Premium for your GRE. They have a +5 marks guarantee as well. So if you have given the GRE exam before and you have some score and you're not satisfied with it, just book it. If you are getting they have this +5 marks money back guarantee that if you don't score 5 marks more than your last exam, they'll refund your entire amount. So if you do score 5 marks more than your previous score, it's every penny worth it because it's just 8,000 rupees. The exam itself is 15,000. The whole process is worth a few lakhs and your applications are worth 12,000 each. So this is very insignificant amount compared to all of that. And instead of going to all these expensive coachings, because all these coachings that have like 6 months or 3 months courses, they are more expensive and they are not even if you think that because the coaching is in person and this other platform is online and it's not gonna be same it's not gonna have the same efficiency, you will be surprised because they are absolutely brilliant. They have a 7-day free trial which you can take, and I think even if you don't like it down the road, they'll refund you. And the best part, since I got myself like a 3-month or 1-month plan, I don't know, so I ran into some trouble and I couldn't prepare for I could not continue my preparation for the GRE exam. So I wrote them an email asking for an extension for a month and they were like more than happy to give it. So they are pretty nice people. Plus every time I had a doubt, I would just write an email to them and they would reply within like the first day. So tip number 4, in the last few weeks of your exam preparation time, this is in case you are like gonna take 6 months or like 4 months for your preparation, or if you're gonna do it for like within 1 month to 3 months, in the last few days in that scenario, do full length test. Simulate the exact experience that you're gonna get on your exam day. Like you need to write the AWS section. Just pick some random topics, actually not random topics, there are a lot of free or paid full length exams online. So in that they definitely will have your writing section as well. So do that, do not skip it. Take exact same time for sections, take exact minute break. You don't have to do the optional section, like because on the real exam you will be having one unscored section. You don't have to do that, but you need to have you need to do your writing sections both, and then you need to give like all 4 sections, 2 verbal and 2 quant. And last 10 days, like you need to have 5 to 10 full length exam before your actual exam. This will prepare you, not just even if it's see, the scenario is that you know the answers and you can solve any question given ample amount of time, but you have like on the real day there'll be pressure on you and you have to prepare for that as much as possible. Tip number 5, so if you are decent enough in quant and maybe a little less confident in the verbal section, you would be in the same boat as me. So the easiest way of scoring 320 in this scenario would be to like absolutely score maximum in quant section. You have to target 170 out of 117 quant, and then focus your efforts whatever is left on verbal, because losing a mark in quant is like scoring every single mark in quant is very easy. It's not gonna take, like, there are fixed type of questions that are gonna be asked once you are done with your Magoosh or like 5 pound set or whatever preparation you have done. I think that it's not gonna be really challenging for an Indian student to score 170 out of 170 in quant. Then so this gives you some leverage on like even if you score slightly below average on verbal, it should be fine. By the way, the as far as I remember, the last time I checked, the Indian average for verbal section was 145. This is really low. I mean, I'm not saying you have to score this low. You have to score somewhere between 150 to 155 in verbal and 168 to 170 in quant. So these are my top 5 tips for GRE preparation. If you like this video and you think that this is gonna help someone, please do like and subscribe and share this with your fellow aspirants in your WhatsApp groups, on your YORKit Facebook pages. I'm just trying to help everyone over here. So show some love and thank you.